Hey guys, it's Greg here and welcome back to G's Autos. So I'd like to announce an absolutely monumental milestone in G's Autos. We've hit 4 subscribers. You got it. Not 1, not 2, not 3, but 4 subscribers. And I'm one of those, so hey, it all helps. Anyway, guys, thank you very much for subscribing. Thanks to all those people who are watching the videos. Really do appreciate it. I know there's only a handful of you, but I'll slowly keep building this channel as we go. Today, we're actually going to do the walk-around video of the project car, and I do apologise for not getting that done yesterday. It was absolutely howling wind all day. Couldn't get it done. It was just too windy, guys. So I'm going to do that now, and let's take a look, and I hope you enjoy. Cheers. You ready? You ready? You ready? Here we go. Dun, dun, dun. Another AE82 Corolla Seca. I couldn't help myself, guys. It was just one of those ones I just wanted it. So it was a good price. The body's really good on it. If it had have had a really rusty, crappy body on it, I wouldn't have worried about buying it. So I've still got the original 4AC motor in there. I'll come around here, get a better look. So it's got the original 4AC. She's fairly dirty under the hood. This, like I said, this thing's been sitting in a shed for 6 years. So we just dodged up a battery, and the other dodge up was the automatic choke. So we used some twine to get that in a fairly half decent position. Hey Jazz, a fairly half decent position, but like when it idles, it's on 3,000 revs, so it's not ideal. But we'll get it sorted. This car isn't being put back on the road in a big hurry, so not too worried about it at this stage. I've got another battery to go in, so that's all good. Holds water, doesn't blow any smoke. Yeah, power steering pump and that is absolutely screaming, so I think I'm just going to do a power steering delete and be done with it. So that's under the hood, needs a really good clean. Overall, car's in pretty good condition. Dint there, that's pushed in, and the bumper isn't holding on the corner of the guard, so that needs to be fixed. That won't pass roadworthy. I don't think that's going to matter too much, but I'm going to get all that bashed out anyway. Sorry, going to get that bashed out anyway, and I'll get that fixed as well at the same time. Car's filthy, tyres are good. Tyres are good, which is good. Still running the original rims. Both mirrors are buggered. Meow. Mirrors are buggered, not too worried about that. Overall, the car's in pretty good condition, so let's walk around the back here, get a better view from here. So it's in fairly nice condition. Tail light's damaged. That's cracked. Sorry, it's all cracked down there. That won't pass roadworthy. Still, it's got a factory tow bar on it. Well, I'm guessing it's factory. So we'll take a look in the boot. Rear spoiler's in good condition too. That's in really good condition. Let's pop tailgate. And it's in pretty good condition. I mean, for 30-odd-year-old car, these back plastics are normally absolutely cactus. They're scratched and deteriorating and whatnot. Obviously, someone's bodged up these to keep them in, and it's all cracked along there. No big deal. I got some spare covers for down the back here, that's no worries. Rear seat belt's chewed, which I'll show you. Oh, geez, take my head off. Right, they had dogs. I think one of the original owners had dogs, so that's all chewed out. I've got a spare one of that. You think after owning 3 of these by now, I'd learn not to smack my head into that, but anyway. This is in really good condition. Whether it's been replaced, it may have. I think it may have been, but hey, it works really good and it looks good. So all around here is actually rust free. Well, it appears to be rust free. These normally rust something shocking up along the hinges. Hornet's nest. So they're really clean. It's all clean. Fantastic. My favourite word right now, clean. So yeah, really good. Walk around here. No rust around the fuel tank. The bumper's taken a little bit of a whack, but that's all right. And there is a little bit of surface rust. You'll see that bubbling up through there. Other than that, the rear guard's in pretty good condition. Nothing too major. It's just rough. Protection strip peeling up there, no big deal. The gutters, let's see if you can see the gutters. The gutters are in pretty good condition. You probably can't see it too good in the video, but the gutters are all clean, not lifting, no rust bubbles. Let's see if I can get you a good... There, how's that? Gives you a good idea of what it looks like. So yeah, let's have a look at the interior. Interior is pretty clean actually. It looks good. So just the fuel can in there from the other day when I put 20 litres in it. But the dash pad's in good condition. It's got a radio in it, but I don't think it's the factory one, but they've done a nice job fitting it. Still got the bottom console. Lid's broken on the centre console, but the seats are in fantastic condition. The seats are great. Pretty comfy too. Not perfect for my back, but pretty good nonetheless. Back seats just need a scrub, but they'll come up good. Seatbelt needs replacing. The dint knocked out in the front with the bumper reattached, plus the tail light, and yeah, a couple of other minor things for roadworthy. But that's the interior. The door cards are all beautiful. They're all nice and clean. Well, not perfectly clean, but what I mean is in pretty good condition. So that'll need to be replaced for roadworthy, I'm guessing. Doors closed really nice. Critters have been living in underneath the front guards. There was another critter living underneath the front passenger headlight throughout its time, but there you go, guys. Not bad, not bad. Oh, and the front, there's Nigel. The front driver's headlight is all smashed, so that'll need to be replaced. Like I said, I've got another battery to go in it. I've got another power steering rack. I can do a power steer delete and chuck that in. It's just very dirty and dusty. But hey, very happy, guys. Like I said, it drove beautifully. Drove dead straight, 100 Ks, no shakes, no wobbles, no vibrations, no rattles, no noises, no nothing. Nice. So, what's next? A really good clean, give it a scrub, and I'll do a video once I've given it a really good clean and a wash up. A little bit of rust just here which is typical of these. Where am I? Yeah, sorry guys, just there. Which, gee whiz, for one of these cars, it's got minimal rust in it. You probably can't see down the gutters. The gutters are in really good condition. So very happy. There you go, guys. That's a quick walk around of Trevor. Trevor looks good. Nice red. That should clean up pretty good. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Cheers. It is all about me. Thank you very much.